Hello friends, hi, I'm Santosh Kumar, career coach and certified trainer from Impact Organization. Today we will discuss about a very interesting topic, 7 barriers that might be preventing your career progress.
Barrier 4. Lack of corporate cheerleaders. Others in your organization need to know about your skills, talents, competencies, experience, and expertise. However, if you keep bragging about your fabulous achievements or keep telling everyone you are awesome, no one will listen to you or believe you. Barrier 4. Lack of corporate cheerleaders. You need to get others to vouch for you. You need to do yourself a favor by building your internal network of well-wishers and cheerleaders. It doesn't have to take a lot of time, it does need tact and technique. The skill you too can learn. Barrier 4. Lack of corporate cheerleaders. Food for thought, who will vouch for your competence, experience, and expertise. Remember, your network determines your net worth. Even people who consider themselves shy and introverted can build valuable networks. Hint: keep giving value to people you meet, they will spread your good name. Barrier 5. Lack of mentors and coaches. The easiest way to navigate the corporate maze is to have a corporate mentor, someone in the organization who has gone the path you like to take, or a career coach, someone with expertise in developing your potential and guiding you to your career goals. Barrier 5. Lack of mentors and coaches. If you don't have one, get one. It is not only nice, but it is also sometimes necessary. Sometimes an external coach is better than an internal mentor, as the assistants will be free from internal politics and bias. Barrier 5. Lack of mentors and coaches. You get the much needed objective outsider's perspective. It is sometimes needed because, the higher you are up the career ladder, the less likely you can know the real perception others have about you. Barrier 5. Lack of mentors and coaches. Food for thought. Even the sporting legends have coaches and mentors. As tennis legend Boris Becker said, we can't possibly know everything ourselves. Feedback is the breakfast of champions. You can learn from below. X. Impact Foundation Gambaneshwari Santosh Kumar. Barrier 6. Lack of courage. Most people are afraid to lose their jobs. That fear of loss controls their actions. Their actions are largely focused on making themselves indispensable and impressing others with their efforts. Barrier 6. Lack of courage. They keep politicking. They keep information to themselves. They prevent others from acquiring their skills to make themselves indispensable. While that looks logical, that is ineffective. Barrier 6. Lack of courage. Why? You are not indispensable. No one is. Even Steve Jobs was kicked out of the company he founded. What you need to focus is to keep broadening your skill set and widening your exposure. Barrier 6. Lack of courage. Let someone else take your job as long as you are ready for a better job. The high achievers are usually those who are willing to prepare their replacements. Barrier 6. Lack of courage. By clinging onto your job for long periods, you are keeping your job, but you may not be learning much. There is an opportunity cost, as you could be learning useful things in a better position. The higher you want to go to the organization, the broader your experience needs to be. Barrier 6. Lack of courage. Food for thought. If you aim to climb the corporate ladder, you shouldn't cling onto your chair. You need to search for the ladder and prepare for the climb. Do your work well, but keep an eye on your personal goals too. Barrier 7. Lack of self-education. Most people stop their learning after they graduate. Others look up to their organizations to teach them new skills, tools, processes, and techniques. They do not develop a habit of self-education. Self-education is usually the best education. Barrier 7. Lack of self-education. You can choose what you want to learn, how you want to learn, from whom you want to learn, and what depth you like to go to master something. Barrier 7. Lack of self-education. If you are waiting for corporate training, that training is usually tailored to the organizational goals and limited to your immediate scope of work. They are often designed to teach you what you need to do your current job better. Nothing more. It doesn't necessarily prepare you for your next level. Be aware of that. Barrier 7. Lack of self-education. If you aim to progress quickly, the following skills are necessary irrespective of your industry, position or years of experience. You need to master the 5 core skills given below. An ability to connect with people, break the ice, build rapport, carry a conversation, and be remembered. An ability to communicate. Barrier 7. Lack of self-education. An ability to network, to know and be known. An ability to lead, to inspire, guide and mentor others. An ability to sell your ideas, opinions, product or service. Food for thought. Most successful people were not born with these skills. They learn these. I have seen hundreds of people from different nationalities who turbo boost their careers and transform their lives through learning these skills.